Using identifiers and modifiers, set menu can be managed on Stocktake Online. Identifiers are used to collect revenue and modifiers are used to deplete stock. To set up identifier, first we add a dummy item which going to use under identifier recipe. Product set menu is going to set up with dummy supplier. Pack size 1 ECH and 0.1 price. Now the identifier recipe is going to set up as business lunch with the help of dummy item. Business lunch set menu price should be set up here only to collect 100% revenue. Now identifiers are going to set up one by one for each recipe to deplete stock. First modifier recipe guacamole setup with the help of batch sub recipe with 0 sales price. GP goes negative for the recipe due to 0 sales price. Another modifier recipe 𝗬𝗫𝗫𝗵𝗂𝗧 setup with 0 sales price. The recipe consists of raw ingredients, or could be a combination of raw ingredients or batches. Food recipes may consist of single or multiple ingredients, hence, Ingredient selection differs for each recipe. In the same way, all modifiers need to set up which serving under set menu. Each modifier has a different POU with 0 sales price. An identifier has a separate POU with set menu price. The same modifiers can be used under different set menu recipes.